the 2021 Ford Explorer. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear parking sensors, and power front seats. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you